In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use adjustment layers in Photoshop 2026 for quick, non-destructive color correction. We'll be improving overall color balance by combining vibrance, selective color, and curves. This is a very practical workflow because it helps you correct white balance, reduce unwanted color casts, brighten your subject, and create more natural-looking skin tones, all without permanently changing the original image. To begin, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the Create New Adjustment Layer icon, then choose Vibrance. This gives you a flexible way to improve color without overdoing it. Use the eyedropper to sample an area that should appear neutral, such as the white of the subject's eye. That gives you a useful reference point for judging the image. From there, adjust the vibrance and saturation sliders slightly until the colors feel more balanced and natural. The key here is to work gently. You're not trying to make the image look overly colorful, just cleaner and more believable. Next, if you notice a strong yellow color cast in the background, create another adjustment layer and choose Selective Color. In the Colors drop-down menu, select Yellows. This lets you target the yellow tones specifically instead of affecting the whole photo. Carefully move the sliders until the background better matches the look you want. Subtle adjustments are usually best here, especially if you want the correction to feel natural and not obviously edited. After that, create one more adjustment layer and choose Curves. In the Curves panel, select the On-Image Adjustment tool, also called the Hand tool. Click directly on the face and drag upwards slightly to brighten the skin. This is a fast and intuitive way to lift the subject without guessing where to place points on the curve. Keep the brightening soft so the exposure still looks realistic. For more accurate skin tone correction, switch to the red and blue channels in the Curves panel. Make very small adjustments in each channel until the skin looks realistic and well balanced. This step can make a big difference, especially when the face has a color cast that isn't obvious at first glance. Take your time and avoid large moves, because small refinements usually give the most professional looking result. Finally, toggle the visibility of each adjustment layer on and off to compare the before and after versions. This makes it easy to see how much cleaner, brighter, and more natural the image looks. Because you used adjustment layers for every correction, the entire process stays completely non-destructive, so you can come back and fine-tune any edit at any time, while still achieving polished, professional quality results.